In the Roaring Twenties, America basked in an era of prosperity, the age of jazz and flapper girls, of skyscrapers and speakeasies. But beneath the glittering surface, a storm was brewing. The stock market, the lifeblood of the American economy, had become a gambling hall, fueled by speculation and greed. On a fateful day in October 1929, the market crashed, sending shockwaves through the world. On Black Tuesday, the New York Stock Exchange saw a panicked exodus as investors tried to sell their stocks, only to find no buyers. The stock market plunged, losing billions in a single day. The Great Depression had begun. Unemployment soared, reaching record highs. Banks failed, businesses closed, and families were left destitute. The American dream seemed a distant memory. President Herbert Hoover, struggling to address the crisis, promised a swift recovery, but the economy only worsened. His policies, designed to protect the banking system, only served to exacerbate the suffering of the masses. In 1932, Franklin D. Roosevelt was elected president, offering a new approach. He promised a New Deal for the American people, a bold experiment in government intervention to combat the Great Depression. Roosevelt's New Deal introduced a series of programs aimed at relieving unemployment, aiding farmers, and reforming the banking system. The Civilian Conservation Corps put millions of unemployed men to work, while the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insured bank deposits, restoring public confidence in the banks. The New Deal was not without controversy. Critics saw it as a dangerous expansion of government power. But to many Americans, it was a lifeline in a time of despair. The Great Depression lasted a decade, but the New Deal left a lasting legacy. It established the role of the federal government in economic policy, paving the way for subsequent economic recovery programs. The Great Depression was a dark chapter in American history, a time of great suffering and hardship. But it also marked a turning point, a moment when the American people demanded action from their government, and when that government responded with a bold new approach. The Great Depression was a tale of economic despair, but it was also a story of hope and resilience.